playtime. Yes, it is. They're playing in their little bin. They're so cute. They like to wrestle. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, here comes Daddy. Is that Daddy? Oh, hi, Daddy. Whoa. Goofy. Whoa. Hi. There's Dad. They're eating food and drinking out of the bottle. It's like a rabbit waterer. And we don't just eat the food, we have to throw it everywhere. Yes, we do. Don't we? Then the wrestling begins. They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so sweet. And they love people. Oh, cuteness never ends.